In this video, I'll show you how to install the bar and the chain that comes with the Dewalt chainsaw. This is the brushless 60 volt max Dewalt chainsaw. The model number is DCCS670. And so to put the bar on, what we need to do first is loosen this right here. There's this little tab that flips out. We just loosen this. It's counterclockwise to loosen it. Once that's loose, you'll be able to pull this housing off. And this is just a plastic housing. This dial here is for changing. If you look close in there, this will change the distance of the bar. So you can have it go further out or further in to tighten the chain. So I'm going to adjust this all the way back. We'll turn this all the way to the left here and get it pretty far set back. That's probably good there. And then we'll grab the bar and we'll just put it right over top of this threaded bar, and then we'll put through the hole right there, just like that. And now this is in here, we need to make sure we get our chain on. And so we can put the chain on afterwards, but since it's already on the bar, I'm gonna just put the chain on right now as well. And there's a bolt. It's actually reverse threaded on here, so you'd go opposite of what you'd think. But I'm just going to put that on there right now and get the chain set right around there and put it on just like this, so I don't have to do it separately. So I've got my chain in here, and I could have taken this washer and this bolt out to make it a little bit easier, but I've got it set in there without having to do that. And then so I'll just keep some pressure on this. We'll make sure the chain is on the bar everywhere that it needs to be. The bar has this groove on it, and so I just want to make sure before I tighten things down that I have the chain sitting in that groove everywhere and not pinched on the outside of the groove. So that's pretty good there. And again, it's really loose right now, but that's fine as long as down here I have it where I want. Then I'm going to, while still applying pressure, I'm going to put this plastic housing back on. So I'll put that on right there. I'll kind of hold the bar here. It might help if you had two people doing this, but it's not too bad with one. And then I'm going to go ahead and tighten this down. So this is going to tighten the bar into place. And again, this is just a plastic, and as you get it tight to the point, it won't tighten any further. So you may or may not like that. And then we see we have plus and minus, so if we just tighten this plus sign, we're going to push the bar out, and that's going to apply more tension on the chain. And you'll want to put some pretty good tension on this, so you'll be able to pull the chain up a little bit, maybe even a little bit tighter than that. And it also does have, it's sort of like slotted, so you could put a screwdriver in here to give it more tension. But I don't recommend overdoing it too much. But that is it. That's putting the bar on and the chain on the Dewalt chainsaw. Hopefully you found that informative. Go ahead and leave your questions and comments below if you have any, and I'll catch you in the next video.